In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up an international firm fee schedule. So to set up our fee schedule, just click on Custom Fees. We can come down to Foreign Firms. We're going to click Add Law Firm. We're going to type in the name of our firm. So my Mexican firm. It's hard to type and talk at the same time. What jurisdictions does this firm cover? They just do Mexico for us. Patents, trademarks, designs, etc. Click Save. We now have our shell record. So we can add fees manually for both patents and trademarks very, very easily, or we can import the Prokurio standard fees, which gives you all of the fees that are commonly associated with this particular jurisdiction, and then you can just modify the amounts. It saves you a lot of time. So our firm gives us a really good deal where we only pay $900 for an application, and we pay the same cost regardless of whether it's a direct filing or a PCT national stage entry. We click Edit. We go and replace this with 900. Click Save. And if you ever wonder when was this last updated, you can always take a look. We put a little highlight here of the last date of update. So you can go through the rest of these. All you have to do is just change the amounts. You can also remove fees if you want. This firm also does translations for us. So let's add a translation cost from English to Spanish. And let's say that they charge 20 cents a word, and they charge us in US dollars. So we've now set up our fee schedule for our Mexican firm. Let's see it in action. We can go back to the home page. We can do a national phase forecast with entry in Mexico. So we click National Phase. To say that we want to enter Mexico, we type in Mexico and add that to our list of countries. We will put in the number of priorities if appropriate. We're going to have a 20-page application, and we have to select our foreign firm. So I click on the list here. All of my foreign firms would show up, so I can select whichever one I want to use for my forecast. We're going to use my Mexican firm. We also can take a look at translation costs. So we go to Translation Optimizer, and we can see that our standard fee using our default translation costs are $1,140. But our Mexican firm is $1,200. But it's probably going to be a little bit easier if we use the Mexican firm. So we're going to go ahead and forecast based upon them doing the translations. Nothing else we need to do. We just click Create Forecast. We get our Mexico forecast, national phase entry costs, PTO fees, Mexican firm fees, etc. All the way down, allowance and grant, etc. And you'll see that it used the Mexican firm for the translation costs. So that's all there is to creating a custom international firm fee. Have a good day.